to 80 knots.
Okay.
And do second notch of flaps.
So I'm gonna.
There's my house.
Oh my gosh. But see, the problem is if I nose down, I need to get down. I need to bring my power out.
There you go.
There we go.
Final looks clear. Start your final turn early, so start it now.
Okay. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 763, turning left final for runway 20, DeKalb traffic. You're like, whichever fucking way are you going to turn, Nicole?
It's just final.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. Get the flaps on. Don't be shy. Remember, you're not along for the ride. You're controlling the ride.
That's right, bitch.
There you go. Your airspeed's good.
My airspeed is good, so I'm at 70.
Yep, I'd give it a little bit of power.
Yep, give it a little bit of power.
Go back to about 1700, 1800.
Okay, we have a little bit of power here.
There you go. Now
I
get us lined up on the runway.
Getting lined up on the runway. I'm at my airspeed is good.
Skydive 1 skydiving in progress. No, correction. 2 minutes to skydiving over Michigan City Airport, 14,000 feet and below. 2 minutes to skydiving over Michigan City Airport, 14,000 feet and below.
All right, you can see the VASI lights off to the left. So they're 2 red, so that means you're low.
Okay.
So add a little bit of power. Get it to like 2,000. There you go. Now look at the runway. You can see we're kind of drifting higher.
Yeah.
All right.
So now I can pull the power out some.
By like 200 RPM, yeah. Go back to about 1800.
Come on. Right rudder, Nicole. You have rudders.
There you go. There you go. Bring that power back. There you go. See how it's red and white now?
Yep.
Now you're on that perfect glide path. Now normally
70?
I would tell you, yep, 70 knots.
Yep.
Normally I would tell you to go full flaps,
Yeah.
but it's windy, so we're going to use just a second notch. All right. You
We're
want
at
to take
the
over?
second notch. Please
Yep.
take over. Your controls.
My controls. All right. So we don't go full flaps because we want a little bit more speed. So we're going to do our final approach between 70 and 65. All right. And so see how my nose is pointing left?
Yes.
And I'm looking at the runway, and I'm just trying to get the drift correct so that we stay lined up.
Right.
So we're lined up right now. So I'm going to enter the side slip. So I'm going to use the rudder to point my nose down the runway.
Right.
And I'm going to do a little bit of left bank.
Right.
Keep that upwind wing down. And just keep tracking the center line, just like this.
Wow.
It's okay to be a little bit fast when it's windy.
Uh-huh.
But see the side slip? Feel how much right rudder I'm using?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, you're like down.
Yep. I'm going to bring it in over the threshold. Start bringing the power out.
Michigan City Skydive 1 skydiving in progress, 14,000 feet
Feel that
and below
upwind wing.
Michigan City.
That upwind wheel touch first.
Yeah.
That's what we want. And as we slow down, I'm going to start increasing the amount of crosswind correction to kind of peg that left wheel down. All right?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Clean
Flaps are up.
plane.
All right. You ready to do the takeoff?
Okay.
You got your correction in?
I got my correction.
Your controls.
Wait.
Right rudder. And do
Okay.
it full power. Nice and smooth and quick. Right rudder. There you go.
Airspeed's alive. Right rudder.
All right. Start pulling back. Keep that left wing down a little bit. Right rudder.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
That's one way to do it.
Oh, my God. Well, I got to get back over here.
Okay.
Keep that nose up, Nicole. Keep that nose up. You're doing good on the climb. You're fine on the climb.
You're good?
I can't see the runway.
It's all right.
Okay.
Usually if you can't see the runway, that means you're right over it.
Oh, well,
Take a deep breath. Keep climbing.
keep climbing. Okay.
You want to try one more lap?
You're going to make me land that time, so no?
I won't. I just want you to get me on final again.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll stay in the pattern.
Okay. So I'm still need to climb a little bit, Nicole.
Yep.
You're doing a fine job.
So I want you to do a bigger pattern than normal.
Uh-huh.
Michigan City Skydive 1, center high left downwind 204, parachutes in the air, 5,000 feet and below, Michigan City.
DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 763, turning left, crosswind for runway 20, DeKalb traffic.
All right. You see the runway?
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Still keep climbing.
So pitch, power, trim.
Yep, pitch. Power. Bring back the power at about 22, Nicole. Come on, bring it back. When we say bring it back, we mean bring it back. Seriously.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, see my runway.
Alright.
I'm a little high. Come on.
Alright.
Down a little bit.
Alright, right about here, you can turn your downwind.
DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 763, turning left downwind for runway 20, DeKalb traffic.
I feel like catch your hand.
Well, I guess I need to turn the downwind.
There
That
you
would be nice. Nose is down. I got to get some power out here.
Okay.
I'm going crazy.
See how much the wind messes with you?
Oh my gosh, you just like, don't be a jerk. Okay. Man, I can't believe how fast we get back over here. Sorry.
Yep. No, see, look,
Rolling back out.
right now we're at 80 knots, but our ground speed is 120.
That's crazy, right?
That's how fast the winds are up here.
Wow.
So,
Oh!
alright.
Sorry.
Plan to make your base turn a little bit early today.
Okay.
So our beam the numbers.
We're beam the numbers. I'm at 17. I'm going to put in my first notch of flaps.
Okay.
Get that nose down.
Got it. You got it.
Get that nose down. My airspeed is 80. That's pretty decent.
Alright, go ahead and start your base turn.
Okay. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 763, turning left base for runway 20, DeKalb traffic. All right, bitch.
Alright.
Fucking turn.
Yep.
Turn.
You're going to be a pilot in command. You got to act like it.
Turn.
Keep one eye on that runway.
One
See
eye
how
on the
early we
runway.
turn, but it still pushes us into like
Yeah.
a normal base.
Exactly. Okay.
Alright, we're on base.
We're on base. I'm
So-
at 80 knots.
Okay, and what else? Get the second notch flaps, right?
Yep. I
There you
have.
go.
Oh my God.
You're fine. Final looks clear.
Yep. DeKalb traffic, Cherokee 763, turning final, runway 20, DeKalb traffic.
Alright, go ahead and start that final turn.
Feel like you should have already done that, Nicole.
Huh? It's
It's
fine.
okay, Nicole.
You're doing fine. Start looking for the runway number, and you're
Yep.
going to start aiming for that.
All right, I'm at 70. I'm high because I have 2 white lights. Right?
Yep. So what can we do about it?
I am going to reduce power.
There you go. That nose coming down, start aiming for the runway number.
Okay.
There you go. Get that upwind wing down, and you're just going to use right rudder to keep your nose lined up with the runway.
Ooh. Stinky.
Yep. So it's okay to be a
Come
little
on, right
fast.
rudder.
I'd rather have you have too much
70.
power. Fly us right to the runway, Nicole.
Keep that nose down, Nicole. Go a little right rudder. Come on.
Got it.
I'm flying you, bitch.
Go a little bit of power.
A little bit of power. Ooh, I'm sinking.
A little bit more power. Fly
Okay.
us right to the runway. Alright, we're just going to do another low pass like we did in Rochelle. Get nice and low. Keep coming. Get low. Aim for that runway number. Got it, you're doing it.
Right rudder.
There you go. Get nice and low and just plan to level off just over the runway. Alright,
Right
just hold
rudder.
us right here.
Right here.
Just track the center line. Try not to let us descend or climb anymore.
Okay.
Keep your airspeed good. If your airspeed starts dropping, just add a little bit of power. Just keep us over that center line.
Oh, shit.
Fight it.
Come on back over the center line, you bitch.